Hello ladies and gentlemen, Michael Nguyen here from Joe Mars Ford in Houston, Texas. This is your 2022 Ford Mach-E GT with the performance package with the dark matter exterior. The interior is gray with the Active X material. You have your 20-inch wheels here. You're going to have your Magna Ride suspension system. Inside you have your ginormous screen with the Bang & Olufsen sound system, your digital cluster with ambient lighting, GT badging, and look at this beautiful panoramic moonroof. This glass. This goes 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Look at this. This is amazing. Let me know when you come by and take a look at this vehicle in person. I can help place your orders. Again, my name is Michael Nguyen. My direct number is 832-834-9322.